Are you looking for a phone that packs a punch without breaking the bank? Then look no further than the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. In this video, we're counting down the 5 reasons why this phone should be your next upgrade. The Redmi Note 13 Pro boasts a gorgeous 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means movies, games, and even just scrolling through social media will be a delight for your eyes. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly responsive. The camera system on the Redmi Note 13 Pro is no slouch. We're talking about a powerful triple camera setup on the back, featuring a whopping 200 megapixel main sensor. That's right, 200 megapixels. You'll be able to capture crystal clear photos with incredible detail, even in low-light conditions. Nobody likes a phone that dies on them halfway through the day. The Redmi Note 13 Pro solves that problem with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Combined with the efficient processor, you can easily get a full day's use or even more on a single charge. And when you do need to top up, the 67 watts fast charging technology will get you back up and running in no time. This is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor, which is designed for smooth performance and efficiency. Whether you're browsing the web, multitasking between apps, or playing games, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And the best part? It achieves all this at a price that won't break the bank. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is a fantastic value for the money. The Redmi Note 13 Pro isn't just about the big three: display, camera, battery. It comes loaded with other features you'll love, like an in-screen fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking, IP54 splash resistance for added peace of mind, and expandable storage so you can keep all your memories close at hand. This phone is a fantastic mid-range smartphone that offers incredible value for money. With its stunning display, powerful camera, long-lasting battery, smooth performance, and packed-in features, it's a phone that won't disappoint. If you're looking for an upgrade that won't break the bank, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is a serious contender. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Redmi Note 13 Pro.